Everyone, I'm here at SeaTac Airport, my connection to John F. Kennedy in New York. So I'll be getting here tonight. I'm going to take the time on the plane to catch up on some administrative tasks, and then I will check in with you guys tomorrow from the floor of the show. See you then.
Hey guys, so last week Alex and I worked together on several website improvements and pushed them live on Thursday, and I had a product planning meeting with Tal. We planned the next 2 weeks. So I'm meeting Shahar today to break this down to tasks, and I'm reviewing John and Joe's edits to our website. We're planning to make some pretty exciting changes over there too. And well, I guess this is it, guys. Thanks.
Hey everybody, Joe Lopardo here. Yesterday I had an interview with one of our advisors, Jay Adelson, so that was really exciting. I was in downtown San Francisco for that, and then also did a good amount of work around some new marketing and narrative we were doing for our website. Today was downtown as well. I got interviewed this time for a local podcast, video podcast, and also continued to finalize some of that narrative work and make sure it's going to be live on the website early next week. Thanks everybody. Have a good day.
Hi everybody. Today I'm working on the implementation of Captain Sky, which is the drone charging service provider, and that's it for me for today. Bye.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today started the day with editing 2 DailyDAVs, and then I continued working on Greg Colvin's interview. You can see it now playing in the background. It's coming out great. Hopefully we'll release that in the next few days. So stay tuned. That will be it for today. See you next time.
Hi guys. At the end of last week, I finished up and sort of perfected some of the analytics I was doing about the pre-sale. Of course, I continued with incoming emails and reached out to some of our early contributors to let them know what's happening. Today, I will be focusing on updating all of our social channels across all of our platforms, and of course, keeping up with all of those incoming emails. See you tomorrow.
Hey Davers, today I'm going to try and get the integration branch all together, start working on making it ready for merging into the master. It's probably not going to be complete by today, but probably in the next few days. Bye guys!
Hey guys, today I continue to work on the dashboard. I finished most of the client code and now I'm connecting it to the server side. See you next time.
Hi everyone! Yesterday I started new landing for our mobile camp page. Today I'll continue it. I'll add a new autonomous vehicle, cars and drones. Also I'll make few variant background our beautiful page. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.